Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to limit your battery charge to 80% in Windows 11. As you can see, like I'm on Windows 11, and if I go to the power and sleep or battery mode inside the Windows, so I won't be able to see it inside the Windows 11. That might also depend on the model of your a laptop. Of what model do you have? Like I have an HP, so you might have Dell or Asus or any other laptops, so that depends on you. So I'll show you how you can find those options. So as you can see, like the first one, as we like if we talk about, is like on MSI laptop. Like this is for MSI laptops, which is not widely used. Some are Acer laptops. Now on Acer laptops, as you can see, you can just go to the website and search your laptop using the serial number. Then just select the operating system and go to applications and download Acer Care Center. Now this is basically every laptop has their help center. As you can see, like HP support center, some or Dell. This is basically Acer Care Center. Inside the Acer Care Center, you can just go and download it, and once you run it inside the checkup, you will see an option like battery charge limit, so you can turn it on and set it. Like on the Dell laptop, this is the basically second option. So download the Dell Power Manager. You might be familiar with it if you're using a Dell laptop, and download this battery information. Click on settings, and inside the settings you can just set it to custom and stop charging at the percentage whatever you want to select. You can just download this one on HP laptop. From the HP laptop, you might not be able to like do it through any software, so just go to the BIOS page. From when you restart, just press F10, go to the BIOS page, and inside the BIOS page go to the configuration, and inside configuration you can just click on adaptive battery optimizer and make sure that it is enabled. Now this is basically will automatically turn it to the best adaptive battery optimizer, and it will be turned on inside your HP laptop. On the Lenovo laptop, download Lenovo Vantage app, which is basically the app that is used a kind of help center. You can say that, run the program, go to the power options inside the power and battery warranty and settings, and just conservative mode, make sure to turn it on, and after that it will be turned on inside the Lenovo laptops as well. So these are some helps and some features and some softwares or tools that you can use and limit your battery percentage to the 80% or whatever percentage you want to select.